Welcome to Conceptual Academy. So friends, in this video, we'll learn about the most important civil engineering field test and interview questions. So before starting a video, I request you please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more update. So friends, without any time wasting, let's start the video. Question number 1. Lapping and reinforcement is not allowed for the bars having a diameter more than, so the answer is 36 millimeter. Question number 2. The minimum bars used for a square column are 4. So the answer is 4. Question number 3. The minimum bar used for a circular column or 6. So the answer is 6 bar. Question number 4. The minimum thickness of slab should be, so the answer is 125 millimeters. Question number 5. Water absorption of a brick is limited to not more than, so the answer is 15%. Question number 6. The thickness of DPC should not be less than, so the answer is 2.5 centimeter or 1 inch. Question number 7. The height of the floor is usually, so the answer is 3 meter or 10 feet. Question number 8. Hook length should not be less than, so the right answer is 9D, but here 9 is constant, D is diameter of bar. Question number 9. Water pH value less than 6 should not be used for, so the answer is construction work. Question number 10. Unit weight of steel. So the unit weight of steel is 7,850 kg per meter cubes. Question number 11. Dead load is the self-weight of the structure. So the answer is self-weight of the structure. Question number 12. Stirrup and beam and ties and columns are provided to handles the, so the answer is shear force and to keep longitudinal bars positions. Question number 13. The number of bricks required for 1 meter cube of brick masonry is, so the answer is 500 bricks required for 1 meter cube. Question number 14. The initial setting time shall not be less than, so the answer is 30 minutes. Question number 15. The final setting time of ordinary Portland cement is 10 hours. So the answer is 10 hours. Question number 16. Sand having a moisture content more than 5% should not be used for, so the answer is concrete mix. Question number 17. C divided by C means, so the answer is center to center distance. Question number 18. STM abbreviation. So the answer is American Society for Testing Materials. Question number 19. Standard size of brick is, so the answer is 19 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 4 centimeter. Question number 20. The slope or pitch of the stair should be? So the answer is 25 degree to 40 degree. So thank you for watching.